Hello and welcome to an episode of Trains App, and today we're at Milton Keynes Central on the West Coast Mainline. There goes 35242, the London Midland service London Euston. Here goes 22117 with a delayed 1603 Virgin train service to London Euston. It's got one of its classmates with it, and hopefully I'll be able to catch this Virgin Trains Pennsylvania that's coming in behind her. 22115. Giving it the almighty beans there was 390006. So we'll be seeing services by London Midland, Virgin Trains, Southern, and with any luck, some freight as well. So let's see what else shall turn up. Right, and the next two trains to arrive is going to be the heavily delayed 1549 London Midland service to Northampton, then followed by the 1603 Virgin Trains Pennsylvania service to Glasgow Central. So here we have 35265.
London Midland service to Northampton. For Milton and Northampton, this train has 4 carriages.
And here is said Virgin service, 39155. Oops, sorry, it's a 1613 service. Okay, now go for the depart is 39155 for the 1613 Virgin Trains Pennsylvania service to Glasgow Central, and also coming in is going to be the 1615 London Midland service to London Euston, coming in from Crewe, calling at London Euston only. It's 350113. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino, bound for London Euston. Through 90047. Okay, and now departing with the delayed 1615 London Midland service to London Euston is going to be 350113. Okay, we have 3 trains turning up now. The first should be a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendulino, just slowly trundling through. The next will be a London Midland Class 350 bound for London Euston, and then the one behind me should be terminating here. Right, here we have 39152. Then we have 350-112. This is coming in from Bletchley, the sidings, to form a local stopping service to London Euston. Joining her is 350-376. If I just move slightly, I find 350-120 that will be forming a London Midland service to London Euston. Okay, 350-120 is now departing with a 1625 London Midland service to Northampton, and also coming in is the delayed 1619 London Midland service to Crewe. Oh, okay. Right, the Crewe service is 350-375. Joining 120 is 352-34. Looks like our dual pairing of 350s have shuffled up the platform, which leads me to suspect another classmate will be joining them at some stage. We shall have to wait and see on that one. Okay, our first freight train of the day is going to be a dual pairing of Freightliner Class 86 locomotives. I believe they're approaching a red light here. I'm judging that from the reflection I'm seeing in the dual pairing of London Midland 350s that came in from the Bletchley depot. At the front of this is 86-612. It's now gone green, so 86-628 is on the rear. That was 39129. There is 35108 forming the 1625 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. That should in theory be crossing over at Hanslope South Junction. It's been a while since I've seen a pair of 86 locomotives. It's a nice little surprise there. Okay, I've brought myself to the conclusion that all the Virgin train services appear to be on a speed restriction through Milton Keynes Central at the moment, as we're about to have another slow 390 pass by. .390-008. Okay, and we should have a 90 passing by. Freightliner 90044, but its rear door open. And now departing 5 minutes later is the 16:25 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton, with 350-108 taking it away. You probably can't see it so well, but 353.76 has opened its door, so that does mean that a sister unit will be joining her at some stage. I would suspect the unit joining her would have been working a service from London Euston. I think I worked out why there may be a speed restriction through here. All services northbound seem to be disrupted by signalling problems. So I'm just wondering if they whacked on a speed restriction through the section of the line to try and work out what could potentially be causing it. I don't know. I'm no signal expert. But from my perspective, that appears to be what they're doing. It could be something completely unrelated, but I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Okay, the next train to pass by should be a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. Just see if my little theory on the speed restriction is still in play. No, I think I might be wrong. (391/3), blowing my theory completely out the window. And the next train to pass by is going to be another Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. (390/020). Okay, the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. Oh, do stand back, you idiot. Stand back, stand back, stand back. (390/112). That bloke was way too close for comfort. And then the next train to pass by should be a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. Oh no, I think she's actually stopping. Okay, well, also departing is the 1641 London Midland service to London Euston. Doubled-up pairing of their Class 350 units. Well, 350/114 at the front. This is 390/050. On the rear is 350/123. Just wondering if that might be the Manchester Piccadilly train. What's the time? Yeah, it looks about right.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 for
okay, now coming in is the remainder of our set that will be going to London Euston eventually.
Calling it London Euston only. This train has 11 carriages.
350/106 will be completing the set. Also coming in is the 1647 Virgin train service to London Euston. This is coming in from Manchester Piccadilly. So 390050 is the Manchester bound train. Looks like we have 390-103 making a grand appearance, albeit with a slightly scruffy front end, but still beautiful nonetheless. Okay, 390-103 is now about ready to depart with the 1647 Virgin train service to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. I think 390-050 has failed. Her rear pantograph is down, which in turn, I don't know if you can see it, but down there is another Virgin Trains 390. Now she's stuck on that fast line, and now the heavily delayed 1641 Virgin Trains Super Voyager service to Bangor via Chester is going on platform 5. So that 390 is now stuck there until 050 gets a shuffle on. I think what they've done is they've now put her front pantograph up because she suddenly got power to her rear lights again. This is all very interesting. Right, well, now trundling through is another Virgin Trains 390. I think this one is the Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston one. Treaty of Union 390-009. Right, now coming in is the heavily delayed 1641 Virgin train service to Bangor via Chester with 221-116. Unless 390-050 is being held to allow the 1641 service to go.
Platform 3 will be the 1649 London Midland service.
Okay, 221-116 is now ready to depart with the heavily delayed 1641 Virgin Train Super Voyager service to Bangor via Chester. 390-050 has now raised its rear pantograph again. I think she's just having a bit of a moment.
Platform 3 of the 1649 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton, calling at Wolverton and Northampton where the train divides. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. Please travel in the front 4 carriages of the train for Long Buckby.
Okay, now coming in is the 1649 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. 350-247 is at the front, that will be continuing on the journey. Terminating at Northampton is going to be...
The train will detach and terminate at Northampton.
350-119. Right, so the 1649 London Midland service to Birmingham to Birmingham Newsham is now going. 390050 has finally got herself into gear. I don't know what's going on with her. That's actually not the Manchester train. Down there is the 1650. It can't be. That's not right, because it just said the Manchester service is delayed. So I have no idea where she's going. That is obviously passing through. That must be a Liverpool-bound service. So, hold on. Right, the 1650 Virgin train service to Manchester Piccadilly is actually now going to be on platform 5. So that Virgin train service, I've no idea where it's going. That must be a Liverpool service. Now is going as 350-106, leading the 1655 London Midland service to London Euston. God, it's all taken part here this evening. And she's taking with a 350-376. And then 350-112. Okay, the Pendino down there is now free to slowly proceed forward. And I can also see the 1650 Pendino service to Manchester Piccadilly coming down as well.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1654 London Midland service to Northampton.
390-016. Virgin Champion. Then if we about turn, we'll find the 1650 Virgin Trains service to Manchester Piccadilly slowly arriving. £390-130.
Of the 1659 Virgin Train service to London Euston, calling it London Euston only. This train has 9 carriages.
Okay, and as you heard, this is the City of Edinburgh. As you heard, we have now the 1659 Virgin Train service coming inbound for London Euston.
1654 London Midland service to Northampton, calling it Milton and Northampton.
£390-045. Hello, here's 350-122, leading the 1549 London Midland service to Northampton with 350-263 on the rear. Okay, 390-045 is now departing with the 1659 Virgin Train service to London Euston, as the 1649 London Midland service to Northampton departs. And 390-130 is now departing with a heavily delayed 1650 Virgin train service to Manchester Piccadilly, as going to come to a halt at a red light at some point is going to be a Virgin Trains 221 Super Voyager service. She's going to Birmingham New Street. It's 221108. Again, coming in is the 1703 Virgin train service to London Euston. It's a double-up set of 221 Super Voyagers. (221-105) at the front. I'll get the rear upon her departure. And the next train to slowly work her way through platform 6 is going to be a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. (390-005). City of Wolverhampton. Okay, 221105 is about ready to depart with the 1703 Virgin train service to London Euston. And 221143 is on the rear. That's party is 35265 with the 1705 London Midland service to London Euston.
Any delay or disruption to your journey. In the interest of safety and security, CCTV is in operation at this station. Items left unattended may be removed and destroyed. If you do see anything suspicious, please contact a member of staff or
And our final train of the day is going to be a Virgin Train, a Virgin Trains Class 221 Super Voyager. (221-109), bound for Glasgow Central. That's what it says on the old headboard at the back there. So, as she continues on, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to have a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Yet again, I have thoroughly enjoyed filming here at and he said Manchester Piccadilly, at Milton Keynes Central. I'm going to there today. It's fantastic variety throughout. Great to see the 90 Skoda and the two 86 cans coming through.
Does not stop here.
I know.
Stand behind the yellow line.
I had every intention to. Then obviously we had the mayhem with all the delays due to the signals, and then that complete howl up with 390-050. God knows what was happening there, but it added to the entertainment value. Then we had our 350s on the local stopping service to London Euston. My next film is going to be from Bletchley. Really looking forward to filming there. Haven't filmed there in a fair while. After that, I'm going to be filming at Bedford on the Midland Mainline on the aim to catch the new 700s. That was 302.119. So, until next time, from me here at Milton Keynes Central, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.